Today we will be showing you how to replace a line card in a Juniper EX Series line card style network switch. This video does not apply to the routing engine or SRE module of the chassis. This only applies to the line cards installed above and or below the routing engine. To begin, you will need to determine the location of the line card to be replaced. Use the command shown on screen to list the line cards and their locations. Then use the next command shown on screen to put the line card offline for replacement. Label and disconnect any cables going to the line card and remove any transceivers in the line card and set them to the side. Some line card machine series will have captive screws securing each line card into the chassis. If your line card machine has these, you will need to undo these captive screws. Then you can use the eject levers or handles to unseat the line card from the chassis. Carefully slide the line card straight back and out of the chassis and set it to the side. Slide the replacement line card in and secure it, again using whatever method applies to your chassis module. Reinstall all transceivers and cables into the line card. If this is an EX6210 or an EX8200 series machine, you will not need to bring the card back online. It will happen automatically. If it is not one of these machines, use the command shown on screen to bring the line card back online. Then use the command shown to check the CLI and ensure the line card is now in a healthy, OK state. The replacement is now complete. If you have any issues with your line card replacement, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.